Hey guys, so I'm so excited to be filming this month's subscription box for cloth and paper. I just received it in the mail about a half hour ago, so I'm so excited to see what is in this month's box. So as usual, the packaging always looks the same. And this is the description of what is inside this month's box. So we have, let's see, this is March, and there's cleaning inserts, half-page cleaning inserts, wave dashboard, logo file dashboard, window dashboard, fog color bar lined notebook, email/call minimal task card set, circle sticky note, palette volume 2, quartz transparent page flags, and then we got some journaling cards. So it looks like this month's box theme looks like it's cleaning, which is kind of perfect for spring cleaning. So this is the packaging when you first open it up. Of course, lovely tissue paper. And this is the cleaning checklist. Very cute. Love the aesthetic. So the first thing that I see in this box, what is this called? So this is the fog color bar lined notebook, and this is what this looks like. Love this. So if you are an HP mini user like me, if you have a hole punch, you can definitely just hole punch this and use it as like scrap paper or like a to-do list or anything like that. And it fits perfectly in there. So yeah, this is a great item. The next thing that I see in here is this circle page flag set, palette volume 2. Love this colors. The next thing that I see in here are the cleaning inventory supply list. So that's very cute. This is what the back of it looks like. So even if you don't like want to use this for like cleaning inventory, you could still like use it for anything else, because even having like a checklist like this is really awesome. Next thing that I see in here are these cleaning chores inserts, and it looks like you got some daily chores: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and some notes. So very cute. So I love the ability to check off like for the days of the week, and also like a habit tracker type thing. The next thing that I see in here, what is this called? I guess this is the window dashboard. So very pretty. Love the aesthetic of this. And let me just open it up. I'm always curious. They always have the best paper selection. So I'm just curious to see what the paper feels like. Okay, so wow, this is such beautiful paper. This is literally butter smooth. I love this. Like, I've seen them include a bunch of like black color dashboards, so this is very pretty. Love that. Next thing that I see in here, it looks like this is the logo file dashboard. Love that as well. And then on top it says there's luxury and simplicity. Then there's this dashboard, which is, what is this one called? This one is called, it looks like the Wave dashboard. So this is what this one looks like. It's a beautiful gray color. Love the aesthetic of this. And then we have, it looks like call and email. What are these things called? Call, email, minimal task card set. So this is really cute. So it says 12 count of each card packaged together. So love this. Extremely versatile. And if you have what are they called? They sell like these card holders. I know they have it for the personal size. And also I think for the A5 size. And if I'm not mistaken, the pocket size. If you do want other sizes, I know that. I think the brand is called Cat's Press Co. I will leave a link below in the description if you're interested in that. But yeah, I know they have like different size dashboards that are like the card holder type. So if you want to get that and you don't necessarily have the sizes that Cloth and Paper offers, I'll definitely link that below because I am going to be ordering a bunch for my mini happy planner. So I thought I would just mention that and put that out there. So yeah, very cute. Love the aesthetic of this. Can't wait to use this. Next thing that I see in here are the quartz page flags. Love this as well. So it just says quartz transparent page flags. And the last thing in here, it looks like we should be getting 4 journaling cards. So let's see what they look like. I need to order myself a tripod. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Okay, so looks like these are the 4 journaling cards. Okay, so this looks like, okay, this says a fresh start isn't a new place, it's a new mindset. Love that. Then this looks like it's for the month of May. Love that. This is a clear journaling card. So yeah, so can you guys see that? Very pretty. Love the aesthetic of this. And then the last one is a quote card. It says, "The more grateful I am, the more beauty I see." Mary Davis. So love that. Overall, I think this was a great box. Definitely worth the money. I think I mentioned the price tag every month. This is $38 if you live in the US. I'm not sure what the prices are internationally, but I know definitely if you live in the US, it's $38. It's a great box. Definitely a good value. And I will continue to be subscribed to the box because I think it's just a great value overall. So I guess let's just recap what we got in this month's box. We got the journaling cards, which includes these 4 journaling cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the quartz transparent page flags. We got the email call task card set. We got the cleaning chores inserts. We got the supply list inserts, half-page supply inserts. We have the Wave dashboard, the logo file dashboard, the window dashboard. I love this, so pretty. Can't wait to use this. Circle page flag set, palette volume 2, and the fall color bar-lined notebook. So love this as well. So again, I think I want to do like every month when I get the box, I always like am so excited to update my planner for that month with like the new goodies in this box. So I might start doing that on a monthly basis going forward, being like, you know, showing you guys how I incorporate this stuff into my planner. And of course the cleaning checklist and part of everything that's included in this month's box. So again, in case you want more details, this is what is included in this March subscription box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and let me know if you are liking this month's theme, and if you are excited, what's your favorite item that you received in this box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!